Hey, Mr. David, this is Tracy coming to you live here at Tameron Hyundai. Hey, located 1 mile up the road from the gallery here in Hoover, Alabama. Hey, I want to say thank you for inquiring about the beautiful 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe 3.3 liter V6. Now, you didn't specify a particular package or any particular color choice, but as you can see, located behind me, we do have a full line and plenty of choices and options for you to choose from. This vehicle model will come in our limited model, a limited ultimate, and also an SC ultimate. You can get options on this vehicle like leather, lane change assist, heated and cooled seats, panoramic sunroof, and also as well as a 360 camera view. Not only that, you're also going to get America's best warranty, 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, which we here at Tameron actually double on all of our vehicles, no cost to you. 20-year, 200,000 miles, still good throughout the U.S. A 5-year, 60,000 mile new vehicle warranty, and as well as a 5-year unlimited nationwide roadside assistance, which is also good throughout the U.S. So as you can see, Mr. Dave, we got plenty of choices for you to choose from here at Tameron Hyundai. Give me a call to set up a time for you to come down and take one of these beauties for a spin. 205-380-6250 is a great number for you to reach me at. You can also reach me on my cell phone as well, 601-880-1846. And once again, thank you for the inquiry, and I hope to hear from you soon, my man.